Hey everyone, I just want to make this video just to help those people that are just getting their watch and they're getting Watchmaker and they're trying to, get it installed and get all the watch faces to their watch. Okay, so I have Watchmaker already, but I'm gonna delete mine so I can show you from scratch how to do it. Alright, I'm going to uninstall that. I'm also going to uninstall my license. Okay, and I am going to uninstall the Watchmaker app from the Gear S3. So right now we have a brand new setup. So you can see Watchmaker is gone. Alright. Let's pick Snoopy there. Alright. So let's go to Play Store. And download Watchmaker. This is the free app. Okay. Go step by step. Okay, open. Welcome to Watchmaker, the largest watch face collection. Okay. Allow Watchmaker to access photos. Hit allow. Now it's going to ask you to pick your watch. I have the Samsung Gear S3 right there. Now it's going to ask you to install a companion app. Just hit the blue button. And it says you will be taken to the Galaxy App Store. Hit OK. Now right here it says install. Watchmaker companion for Gear S2 and S3 install. Okay, and I just hit apply. It says check your gear. You can see on my watch it gave me the steel blue watch face. Alright. Now, see this bottom arrow right here? It gives you a little tutorial of how to do it on your watch. It says long press on watch, scroll until you see Watchmaker icon, and tap to select Watchmaker as your watch face. Okay, so let's do that. See, these are the other ones. Here's Facer. So you just scroll until you see Watchmaker, and bam. Okay, so very simple. Okay, so now it says you're done. Keep going. Alright, now that bottom little watch icon right there, hit that. These are all my watches. I'm going to pick something simple. I like this watch here. Okay, so I just hit this little green button. Now it's going to ask me, I uninstalled my license. So if you don't have your license at this point, it's going to ask you to get the premium. So you hit get now. And if you do not already have it, you would buy it. But I already have this. So I'm not going to take a chance on hitting that green button and paying for it again. Okay, so I'm going to go to the Play Store. And mine is right there. Okay, I just hit open. Now you're going to hit this, the bottom gray button. It says transfer settings. Settings and purchases transferred. Once that's done, you hit Start Watchmaker. Now go back down to the watch icon down here and try loading the face onto your watch. Let's move the watch a little bit over there. Okay. Now it just asks you stuff, weather missing, so you hit yes please. I usually use manual. It's asking me for GPS, so I use manual. You type in the city and state. Hit OK. Okay. As you can see, oops, sorry about that. There's the watch. It's very easy, nothing complicated about it. You just follow the prompts. It's not magic, you know, there's only one certain way you can do this. Let's try downloading another face just to show you everything's working. So obviously some faces take a little bit longer to load, probably because they're a little heavier. Now it's loading. Okay, as you can see, it's right there. So you know what, if you're having problems, I suggest you just go to your applications, delete all the watchmakers that you have, restart your phone, and just start from scratch. Just follow the video. It's very easy. Good luck. Thank you.